Hello everyone. We are on a walking tour of Old Town Innsbruck. DOGANA, the largest hall of the Congress, Innsbruck. Events of all kinds are held here, from concerts, shows, congresses, fairs, balls, or glittering New Year's Eve parties. The Tyrolean State Theatre in Innsbruck is located near the historic AUSTRIA section of the city. HOFBURG, the former Habsburg Palace in Innsbruck. This imperial palace was completed in 1500 under Emperor Maximilian I, 1459 to 1519. The Rennplatz Square in front of the imperial palace served as a competition area to please the sports-loving emperor. Maria Theresa, 1717 to 1780, reigned Tyrol on behalf of the emperor. She renovated the palace, which was completed in 1770s. The third restoration was completed between 2006 and 2010. Walking through the streets of Old Town Innsbruck, there are small restaurants as well as shops selling clothes, bags, shoes, etc. on either side of the street, and souvenirs as well. As we reach the square in Old Town Innsbruck, we can see the Helbing House straight ahead. The original structure was built in 15th century and evolved significantly. The facade is decorated with elaborate ornamentation. Next to it, you can see the Golden Roof, which is a landmark structure in Old Town Innsbruck. The Stadtturm, a landmark watchtower built in the 1400s, with an observation deck and a copper-clad onion dome. The Golden Roof was completed in 1500 and was decorated with 2,657 fire-gilded copper tiles for Emperor Maximilian I to mark his wedding to Bianca Maria. The couple used the balcony to observe festivals and tournaments and other events that took place in the square below. There's a game of street basketball going on in the square. After the 350-kilometer journey to Innsbruck, Swarovski Crystal World, Nordkette cable car, and walking tour of Innsbruck, I must say we're really tired. You can see the row of colorful houses on Maria Hill Street along the Inn River in Innsbruck. Let me just wind up by saying that the Habsburg dynasty of Austria was indeed a great one. But in 1914, the assassination of the Habsburg heir in Sarajevo on 28 June 1914 set in motion the World War. We are now going to a hotel for the night in Innsbruck, Hotel ALPENKONIG, Tyrol, located in Raith Bay Seafield, 1.2 kilometers from city center. We have arrived at the hotel. The rooms are quite spacious. All set for a wine and beer party as our travel agent had promised. It's dinner time. You can now see the inside of the hotel. A morning walk around the hotel. It's breakfast time. We have coffee and tea, butter, cheese, cold cuts, buns, wheat bread, fruits, sausages and eggs, cereals, bread, and juices. In my next video, we shall be traveling to Stuttgart, Germany. If you enjoyed watching my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.